This plaza demonstrates architectural innovation, featuring 15 different concrete finishes in one frame. Observe the polished floors, pervious drainage, and 3D printed structures, showcasing concrete's versatility design. This stamped concrete driveway features a realistic stone pattern for a premium look. Control joints are integrated to prevent cracking and ensure durability, while color and sealant enhance appearance and weather resistance. This decorative colored concrete transforms the plaza into a vibrant artistic space. Note the seamless interlocking shapes that provide both beauty and durability. Polished concrete floors offer a sleek, modern foundation. Their high-gloss finish creates stunning reflections. Durable and seamless, they integrate the space's contemporary, luxurious feel. Microcement, also known as microtopping, creates seamless. Its water surface nature makes it ideal for wet areas like this sink and shower. Durable and low maintenance, it transforms spaces with a sleek, minimalist finish. Exposed aggregate concrete creates a durable, textured surface by revealing embedded stones. This composition offers superior slip resistance and aesthetic appeal. Ultra-high performance concrete, or UHPC, its incredible strength allows for these slender, intricate lattice designs. This durability ensures the structure withstands the harsh marine environments. This is self-compacting concrete, or SCC, being poured into the rebar grid. Its high flowability allows it to fill all spaces without any vibration. This results in a dense, uniform structure, saving time and labor.
This modern home is crafted using 3D printed concrete, where a nozzle extrudes layers to build curved walls. The process allows for unique shapes and is faster and more sustainable than traditional methods.
In high-traffic warehouses, the concrete floor endures constant heavy loads from forklifts and pallets. This creates durable surfaces that resist wear, ensuring smooth, long-term operations. Lightweight concrete is transforming modern construction. Its porous structure reduces density, making it easier to handle and transport. This innovation allows builders to construct taller, more efficient skyscrapers. Glass fiber reinforced concrete, or GFRC, is a composite material revolutionizing architecture. This allows for meant polymers complex designs with excellent weather resistance. Precast concrete panels are key to modern construction, offering speed and precision. These large panels lifted into place. The panels are aligned and secured, forming the building structure with minimal on-site work. High-performance concrete is the foundation of modern skyscrapers. Its high strength allows for taller, thinner designs. Enhanced durability ensures the structure withstands harsh conditions. And superior innovation is the future of construction. This concrete bridge shows typical cracks from wear and weather, but self-healing concrete can repair itself autonomously. Microcapsules embedded in the mix release a healing agent when cracks form.